Welcome to day 12 of Shop Talk, a 30-day reset for auto repair shop owners. I'm Rachel Evans, I'm founder and CEO of the Workshop Whisperer, and today we're talking about how to encourage your team to be more solutions focused. It is one of the number one frustrations for you as the repair shop owner that you feel like you're the one always providing the solutions. And I'm here to let you know that unfortunately, part of that is your fault. But after watching this video, you should feel well armed to do something about it. So even if you've only got one other team member and that team member is inexperienced, they might be an apprentice or they're only newly trade qualified, or you've got them out at the service desk and you're training them up, you can still put the pathways in place, lay the groundwork for that team member to be less reliant on you without a high error rate. And the way we do that is by implementing something that we call the 131 method. Now, it might sound a little bit complicated, but hang in there with me. I promise you, it's actually quite simple, though it is structured. And we love structure and systems here at the Workshop Whisperer. So whether you've got one team member or you've got 50 team members, this method is going to work for you. So it's as simple as this. Instead of the next time when a team member comes to you with a question because they're unsure of their next move, instead of giving them the answer straight away or walking over to the vehicle and doing it yourself, because in your mind you'll be thinking, I'll just do this because I'm faster and I know it'll be done right. Instead of doing that, have the discipline and patience to train into your team members that they can come to you with their issue, their one problem. That part's fine. But instead of just waiting for you to provide the answer, they also have to come with 3 potential solutions. And then they have to let you know which solution they're favouring. So that's where our 131 comes from. Bring you one problem, but they've got to suggest 3 potential solutions and then the one that they favour. 1, 3, 1. Now, the reason that we get them to bring 3 potential solutions is because we need their brains to start firing in a different way. We need them to think beyond, I have a problem, to think towards what are the potential solutions and which one might be the one that works and why. Because you want to encourage them to come to you still when you're implementing this, but you also want them to think beyond, I just need the answer, to here's the potential answer. Now, if you've got somebody young and inexperienced, they're obviously going to have less chance of having seen the thing before and might only be able to come to you with one potential solution. That's okay. They're still having a crack at it. That's the important thing. When you're super busy, it's going to be really important for you not to just override that 131 system with the impulse just to go and do it because it's faster and everyone can keep going. You're defecting the whole system when you do that, because the learning opportunity for them is that even when it's really busy, they slow down to think through the potential solutions, the one that might work, and eventually they will trust their own judgment enough once you've counselled them through their 3 potentials and their one favoured. They will get the confidence to realise that they actually do know the answers, and eventually they will stop coming to you as much the more experienced they get. Your job is to create the void for this to happen. If you don't want your team to come to you all the time, if you want to stop putting out all of the fires that pop up all the time, because you're allowing their potential to develop. Now, for some of your team members, implementing the 131 and making sure you stick to it will actually expose that they're not cut out to be in your team. But your job is to make sure that you've offered all the opportunities with training, If a mistake is made, letting them know that as long as they learn from the mistakes, we are allowed to make mistakes. That's how we learn, but you must learn from them. We can't make the same mistake over and over again. That's not okay. But the 131 method is there as a structured framework for you to train up your team so they are less reliant on your expertise and experience, not so that you're not required at all, but so that you transfer your skills and years of experience to the workshop floor without you having to be on it all the time. So let me know in the comments what you think of the 131 method. It's very simple, proven to work time and time again throughout our client base. So give it a crack. Let me know what you think. If you use another method to do something similar, let me know in the comments as well. But I guarantee you, from years of experience, the 131 method is worth giving a go. If you're new here, please subscribe to our channel and like this video so it goes far and wide. And I will be back with you for day 13 of our 30 days tomorrow, which will be December 23, still turning up at the busiest time of the year. Have a good one.